Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well. The device in my hands today is an iPad Pro 10.5. While this model is famous for its performance, it is equally notorious for its body or frame bending. This particular iPad is quite badly bent, causing the display to pop out from the frame. We will see how to restore this body to its original condition without damaging any parts. Let's get started. Before we begin, we need some essential tools. We will need a heat gun or separator, isopropyl alcohol, plastic opening tools, and a perfectly flat surface. Keep in mind that the iPad frame is made of aluminum, so excessive force can cause it to crack. The entire process must be done with extreme patience. The first step in straightening the body is carefully removing the display. If you try to straighten a bent body while the screen is attached, there is a massive risk of the display cracking. I am starting by heating the edges of the display with a heat gun for 1 to 2 minutes to soften the adhesive. Now, using a suction cup and thin plastic picks, I am slowly separating the display from the frame. Be careful, as there are sensitive connectors near the home button and the top of the screen. Do not pull them abruptly. Once separated, disconnect the display cables and move the screen to a safe place. After removing the display, we must disconnect the battery and, if possible, the motherboard. During the straightening process, mechanical pressure is applied to the iPad's chassis, so we must ensure the motherboard is not damaged. I am simply using a battery isolator to cut off the power flow. Now comes the most crucial part. Look, the iPad is significantly sagged in the middle. Sometimes we use a wooden block to apply pressure by hand so that it spreads evenly across the surface. Do not rush. Apply a little pressure. Then, check against a flat surface to see if it's straight. After repeating this process a few times, you will see the frame return to a perfectly zero-level position. Once the frame is straight, I am cleaning the old adhesive and dust with isopropyl alcohol. If the body isn't clean, the display won't sit properly in the frame. Now, reconnect the display cables and carefully set the screen back into the frame. Alhamdulillah, our task has been successfully completed. Look, the iPad is now perfectly straight, and there are no visible gaps on the sides. The touch and screen are working perfectly. If you encounter such a problem with your iPad, seek advice from a skilled technician. If you like the video, please share it. See you in the next video. Allah Hafez.